Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So we've got a rejection of the level. It was just too late in the session for me, and that's 36.38. At the moment, during the Asian session, we are falling pretty rapidly. I want to see what's going to happen here. Sorry, at 32.46. Oscillators have sort of eased off the bottom. They have separated. They cross over in this kind of scenario. This is going to be a flag play out, and as I said yesterday, there is your target to the downside, 29.537. So what we should be looking for is opportunities to short this. Look at the 3 hour. After hours session has been pretty violent. Crossover of the oscillators starting to happen here on the 3 hour. Trend is down. We're looking for opportunities to short. There's no other two ways about it. I think this level here that we have at 33.80 and then 32.46 are the two areas to pay attention to at the moment, purely because we missed that opportunity there, and I definitely would not be jumping in on a trade so late in the session. So yeah, that's kind of the view that we've got at the moment. Is we're looking for a pullback to to sell off. Now we could find some support down here, which wouldn't surprise me. So 32.46 wouldn't surprise me for us to see some kind of support here. You look at the oscillators on the hour, and then pull back to reject an area. There are two gaps to the upside, so it is possible that we can move all the way back up here to form a double top and then pull back. Alternatively, there is a micro level, or should we say a level on the hour, that is right over here at 34.80. So for me, 15-minute chart is chart of preference. We're looking to see what transpires. Now, you obviously don't want to be jumping in short here. Look at the grouping of the oscillators. So we are breaking through structure as well. So I think the only thing that's going to get me short is if we break down here, break through 32.46 and come back and test it. That would be the first opportunity. The second opportunity obviously be a bounce off here and then a pullback to reject one of these tails. So you can see all these tails. Yeah, one of them would offer some kind of resistance. So there's so many of them. I'm not going to draw all of them. You need to just watch it. So you're looking for pullback here, alternatively pullback up to here, close to where the open was, a rejection up there, and then a move down. If you do that on the 15-minute, you should see the structure play out quite nicely. But that is kind of my view. We are in a downward trend. We've also broken a bit of a trend line here on the hour. There. Or there, doesn't matter which way you look at it, it's broken. So first choice is going to be somewhere up here at 34.80. Price comes back into this zone, we're looking to short again for a move to the downside. Just bear one thing in mind, you do have a crossover here on the hour of the faster moving averages, but we are stuck between the 155 and the moving averages. So it is possible that we just bounce from here to continue the last 2 days move to the upside and basically move back into this area. Also very possible. So no confirmation of longs for me just yet. I think we're still in a downward trend. So for me, this is an area that we just need to pay attention to see where the opportunity is to continue to the downside. And you can see this on the 3 hour, far away from the moving averages. There's no indication that anything has changed just yet. So that's kind of my view. Waiting for the pullback onto structure on the lower time frames, and you can see how these levels, this level that is just broken now at 33.80 is quite a big level on the 3 hour. So that would be the one to pay attention to, and then obviously a little bit higher. But this 33.80, definitely something to pay attention to through the European session. Anyway, that's kind of my view at the moment. Nice short setup brewing here. You just need to wait for the pullback and the rejection of a resistance. So you're looking for an area of resistance where price is going to reject, and then you'd be looking for a move to the downside. Volatility continues. 2% up yesterday, down 0.5% already this morning, so don't be too surprised to see another 2% move to the downside today. Ultimately, I still believe we're looking for 29,500, 29,536 at the moment. But first stop will be 30,000. 30,000 would be the first target, and then we'll have to see what happens from there. Anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.